So of course you're now on the other side in terms of financing. I mean, you certainly used to be the banker, and people would essentially come to you. You're talking earlier about how you were in the leverage financing department, and I actually want to certainly a bit later on to talk about how people can even leverage their portfolio to get more properties.
Basically, it's finding properties that are closer to varsities, and then we structure a deal. So when I got out, one of the first things I did was to go into Braamfontein because I went to VIT, so I understood the Braamfontein market very well. And then what I then did is identified certain properties, and then I went and traced the owners and showed them a model. So I gave them a proposition in sense of, so the basic question I asked them was, what kind of rentals are you getting now? And if I can show you how to double your profit, would you listen to me? And 98% of the time, majority of them said yes. So then before I went there, I'd already done models in terms of, if you have a student, this is how much you can charge, this is your expenses, your property administrative expenses, your management administrative expenses, and how do you mirror those two to end up making substantial profits? Because at the end of the day, as much as students are paying, and not paying in the sense of, but some students are careless and they're going to damage things, but how do you get a sense or a model that will incorporate all those kind of little expenses that's going to come about? And that's what I did. So eventually I got people to listen to me, and then I started managing from one property to the next, and the rest, they say, it's history.